In response to my video defending relative humidity as a useful measurement tool, this commenter asks about dew point. And here's the thing. Each of these different measurements tells us something important and useful depending on the context. Dew point tells us the temperature that we have to reach in order for dew to start forming. And that's super useful in the context of needing to know what temperature do I need to stay above before the air starts to saturate and water starts to come out of it. But this is really about a broader conversation about the utility of different measurement systems. It's the same argument when you hear people fight over Celsius versus Fahrenheit versus Kelvin. Each of those is actually super useful for humans. I love Celsius personally. I think it's super useful, especially in science when we care about things like the freezing or boiling point of water. But Fahrenheit is also really useful if we want the numbers to represent something about physical comfort, like in the atmosphere. Because sometimes I think we forget that measurements are about the human experience. The universe doesn't care about measurements, it just goes on and does its thing. Humans make measurements up in order to conceptualize and understand the world around us. And so each system has its benefits based on the limits of human psychology and understanding. So my recommendation in the future, instead of arguing over which measurement system is better or worse, I would ask, what is the context of my question and which measurement system best fits that question and the possible answers?